5, this is the police. Don't hang up the phone, okay?
Okay.
Can you just stay on the phone with me?
Yeah. Okay.
Are you home alone?
Yeah.
With just Mommy?
I can't do it.
You can't unlock it?
No.
That's okay, honey. I'm going to get you some help, and they're going to unlock it for you, okay? You just keep talking to me till they get there.
Okay.
We're going to send somebody to open the door for you so your Mommy can get out.
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 4. Are you okay?
I'm okay. I can't get out.
Mom can't get out.
I'm not hurt.
My mom can't get out.
Okay, I know she can't get out. We've got some...
Tell them, say, I can't. Mommy not hurt. My mom said she can't open the door.
I know, she can't open the door and you can't open the door, huh?
Yeah. You okay, Mom?
I'm okay.
Mommy's not hurt. I just can't get out.
Just tell her you're talking to the police.
Mama's locked in.
I know she's locked in, huh? We're going to get her out.
Okay.
Okay. Will you go open the door for the policeman? He's right outside your front door.
I can't get out. I'm stuck in the bathroom.
Tell Mommy it's okay.
I can't open it.
I can't. The door's jammed. I can't get it open.
Okay. Do you care if I hit against it? Stand by. We should be able to get it open. Stand by.
George.
The door's unlocked on your side?
My mom said this. But she's also laughing.
Okay, good. Honey, you did a really, really good job. You call us again if you need help, okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye, honey.